don't throw out the baby with the bathwater. I'm talking to you writers. I was talking to a professional writer the other day, and he told me he doesn't use AI tools because it's not good enough, doesn't meet the standard for writing and generally accepted standards. But that doesn't mean that you can't use it for other things of value. Now, most people don't polish their AI content. I see this all the time, whether it's subtitles or chopping up videos. But that doesn't mean it's not valuable. It just means that people are kind of lazy. I'm going to give you 3 examples of what you can use AI tools for, even if you are a professional writer. First one is summarizing. It's really, really good at that. And now most of the tools, including ChatGPT, can summarize documents of a few hundred pages. So taking a multi-hundred page document and making it a 1 page is very valuable. Taking a 1-page document and making it into a paragraph is valuable. And taking a paragraph and making it to 1 line. Because if you're running a business, you need talking points. You need a 1-liner. You need a paragraph. You need elevator pitch. You need a 1-pager. You need all these different types of content that you can deploy for social media and other marketing strategies. And so it's very useful to use the AI tools to do this, because you should be constantly tweaking these and making them better. Number 2 is data organization. This is a really good one. Converting unstructured text into a well-organized spreadsheet. The other day I was in a Zoom and I saved the chat out because it was a networking meeting and everyone had put their contact information in the chat. But it just saves it as a raw text file. It's very messy. I created a prompt to change that into an organized spreadsheet with columns for names, emails, phone numbers, and all of that. Now, I wouldn't have even done that if I didn't use that tool, because it would have been far too much work, and I would have just manually had to write them down and put them into a CRM. So that was incredibly useful to do it that way. Creating a video script is another great tool for restructuring. You might have a 1-page document that talks about your company or whatever it might be, but creating a video script from that is useful because the AI will suggest B-roll, what the scene should be, the narration, all of these things. Again, saving you lots of work. Structuring a video into a social media post is useful. I do that all the time. In fact, I'm going to use the transcript from this video to generate the post that goes along with it for the copy. The third thing that you can do with the tool is collaborate on ideas. Helping you refine your talking points is a really good idea. The AI may come up with ways of saying things that you didn't think of, or words that you didn't think of, different angles. So it's very useful for bouncing things off like you might do with a person. In fact, this is how I came up with this post. I used the interactive chat bot with ChatGPT to come up with these ideas. Even if you're an accomplished writer, you can leverage AI tools to create recurring revenues. Often if you're a writer, you're only making money if you're in front of someone or writing. If you have a large body of work, then you can use AI to create video scripts like I just said, then outsource the work to be done and create an online course. And now you're creating recurring revenues by having a program that doesn't require your presence. So AI can be leveraged by writers for all of these ways. And of course, if you're not a writer, this is a fantastic way to look like you are. If you want to learn more ways to leverage technology to your advantage so you can do work you love and design your future, please like and subscribe. I'm Martin Ricketts, the Digital Samurai.